In front of me is XIAOMI 11T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this XIAOMI. Firstly, go into settings and scroll down. Now choose additional settings, languages and input, manage keyboards and Gboard. Over here click on theme and tap on this plus sign under my themes. Then you need to select one of those pictures by tapping on the chosen one. I want to set up that one, so I will click on it, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally, select done and click on the switcher next to key borders to turn them off or on. When you're ready, select apply, and now when I go back, I can see the theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!